Hey everyone, welcome to Jorge the Mentor's YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about how much should you charge for your Airbnb cleaning fee. I see hosts leaving money on the table and some people overcharging and losing opportunities. A couple tips that I want to share with you today. Number one, what you want to do before just randomly picking or grabbing a price out of thin air is look at what everyone else is charging in your area. Same thing, you want to do a comparable analysis, so again that you have an apples to apples pricing analysis. So if you have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in San Diego, then look at what other 2 bedrooms, 1-bathroom apartments in San Diego are charging for their cleaning fee. And then take that cleaning fee, and if you're just starting, again, start slightly less than what everyone else is charging until you build credibility. The next thing you want to do is figure out how much you can actually profit from the Airbnb cleaning fee. Now remember, the cleaning fee is added on top of the entire booking. So whether someone stays 1 day, 5 days, 10 days, or any days, the flat cleaning fee is added on top of the entire booking, so it does not come out of your pocket. What I do with my units is I charge mostly between 100 to 140 per unit, and I pay anywhere between $60 and $70 per unit. So I'm able to profit anywhere from $40 to $80 on each booking. Now, if we just say it's $50 on average, which it's slightly more, but if I have 20 bookings in total with all my properties times $50 per booking, that's an extra $1,000 per month and an extra $12,000 per year that I am able to profit, which is amazing. And I do this all with honesty and integrity. I'm paying fairly, I'm charging fairly, but there's a big spread in between from what I can charge and what I pay, which is great. So that's what I would recommend for you to determine how much to charge for your cleaning fee. Look at what other people in your area are charging for a similar listing in the same area with the similar amenities. Charge slightly less at the very beginning and then bring it up. Now, something that I like to do over time, when we are in the summer in peak season like May, June, July, August time, I actually bring my cleaning fee up. Why? Because there is a shortage of listings and not enough listings for the demand where I live and where most of my units are in Los Angeles County. So I am actually able to charge more because there isn't enough properties for everybody that's looking to stay at an Airbnb. So whenever there's a shortage of properties in your area or a shortage for your specific and unique type of listing, then you're able to charge premium pricing. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions about what I went over today or anything else that you would like to recommend for new Airbnb hosts, please comment below. Also, in my descriptions, you're going to find a lot of the things like tables, the sofas, the automatic digital lock that I use for my Airbnb listings. I went ahead and did all the research for you guys because I know as a new Airbnb host, you're like, what should I buy? Should I get this? Should I get that? So I simplified it for you. Click on the links below and you'll be able to find a lot of the things that I use for my Airbnb listings. And I hope they can serve you as much as they've served me. So subscribe, hit the little bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video.